In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the same existing post ID to increase Facebook social proof. This is a fantastic technique to enhance your ads' visibility and credibility by leveraging the social proof from previous engagements. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. Once you're there, click on the Go to Ads Manager option. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure to have these credentials at hand. After entering your details, simply click on Log In. Now that you're inside the Ads Manager, head over to the Campaigns dashboard. Here is where you see an overview of all your existing campaigns. On this dashboard, you'll find a small button labeled All Tools. Click on it to open up a variety of options and then select Business Settings. Once inside Business Settings, choose your preferred account. It's vital to select the right account, especially if you're managing multiple ones. Next, navigate to the Meta Business Suite. Once there, find and click on the Content option in the main menu. This will bring you to a page where you can see all your ad posts. Identify the specific ad post you're interested in, open it, and in the Post Overview section you will find the Post ID. Copy this Post ID carefully as it will be crucial for the subsequent steps. Once you have the Post ID copied, return to the Ads Manager. Click on Campaigns in the menu and then choose Create to start a new ad campaign. You'll be asked to select an objective for your campaign, so pick one that aligns with your business goals. Click Continue to proceed. From there, we'll jump straight to the ad level. Within the ad setup, click on Create Ad and then select Use Existing Post. This option lets you utilize the accumulated engagements from a previous post, hence increasing the overall social proof. Now scroll down to the Ad Creative section. Here you'll find an option that says Enter Post ID. Click on it and paste the post ID that you copied earlier. Make sure it's entered accurately to avoid any hiccups. Finally, after pasting the post ID, you'll want to click on Submit. And that's it, you've successfully set up your Facebook ad using an existing post ID, leveraging its social proof to potentially increase engagement and credibility for your new campaign. Thank you for following along today. Remember, this strategy can significantly boost your ad's performance, so consider incorporating it into your regular marketing routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert tips. See you in the next video.